and welcome.
Scott Till's Home Shop.
Yes, I am Scott.
And I am Tira.
And we hope you enjoy the following video, so stay tuned.
Hello, Father.
Hello, Tara.
What are we doing?
Today on Scott Till's Home Shop, we are actually rebuilding the home. This video is brought to you by Porta-Cable Palm Nailers. Not at all.
Nope.
Alright, will you please run and get the star bit and get...
Oh.
Okay. Now, will you please run and get me 2, 4, 6, 8 3-inch screws.
3-inch screws, you said?
3-inch screws, I said. How I do that for is just to hold it in place so it doesn't move when I set the joist hangers in there.
Yeah, so we're replacing the floor because...
The previous people that owned this house thought it not necessary to use floor mat when you step out on a wooden floor straight from the shower.
So it had a hole in it.
Well,
And it was
all
mold.
it did was just come apart.
Yeah, it's just mold.
Not mold.
Not mold,
Why did I get that in there? Well, I have to go under it.
this is the remnants of the old floor. And then we got plywood for it. You just love that palm nailer, don't you?
Well, I love the fact that it put a nail in the wrong spot. There we go.
Technically, you did that because you're the one.
You're thankful.
Okay.
That's kind of over my head. I have 2 of them. Big one and a small.
Perfect. Well, that's not supposed to happen. Well, that's not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to come out.
Oh, it's not a ring type. It's just a magnetic. They always come out. That one moved on me faster than I can get my hand on it to move it. All right.
How are we gonna get the?
Now, I need to put the scab under here, but I don't want it stuck to this. So we're just gonna shoot it with 2 gun nails, finish nails, but we'll screw and glue it to this piece.
So that we can be able to just rip this board up and
when we take this up to redo the rest of the floor with this new stuff, when we pull these 2 gun nails out, when we pull this floor out, it'll tear the gun nails, it'll pull them out and not rip the floor up.
Okay.
So I need 2 pieces, roughly 21 inches long.
Okay.
Alright. Now, it's gonna be a little hard to do one-handed. You may have to help me. That's why I wanted a magnetic bit. I got that. Move your hand. Oh no, don't put your hand there. Alright, I don't know why I didn't do this to start with. Oh, I got it. Screws around here are expensive.
So you're like, you gotta save every screw that you can. You got one more?
No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Let me see it there. There we go. Alright, now, we're not going to glue this piece in. We are going to screw it in, and guess what? You get to go on another journey. Do you know why?
Why?
You didn't bring the screws to screw the floor down with.
What kind of screws do we need?
The 2-inch in the box.
Oh!
The piece.
Uh-oh.
You measured that so wrong.
Oh, you measured that part and you said that was good.
No, baby. Where's the tape measure? We had 2 in here.
Yeah, you just had, here's mine.
Where's mine? I need
right there.
here. Okay. I asked you to measure including the tongue.
I did.
18.
Yeah, that's what I measured. You didn't measure 18 on the floor.
No, I see a problem.
What?
Right here. Where's it?
Yeah, it's still plugged up. Yeah.
We're leaving the tongue on here.
Yes.
Because what we're going to do when we take this up to finish it on across is we'll need the tongue. So we're just going to leave it.
Okay. Why is it still not fitting?
Because it's not fitting.
Let me get over here so we can get.
Oh, I see one.
Why? Oh. You even move the board?
Right here.
What? It's over on this end more than it is. Why? Aha! How's that? We didn't mark the board or the joy star. Where's the top?
This is just temporary. When we get the kitchen finished, we'll come in here and redo all of this. Right now, we can't afford to do it. Plywood down here in the States is up to $100 a sheet now.
Very expensive. Very.
Same thing that's cost a lot.
There you go.
Where's the other piece?
Here. Okay, that's pretty good.
Missed it.
All right. They won't come out with the.
No, because it's not threaded all the way up.
Ah, yeah, I understand that.
Alright. Oh, wait a minute. One right here in the middle.
All right, we did it.
And
Wait.
some over here in this joist right here.
That's it.
Well, we're going to put a new floor in here, but that's the floor patch for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up and share our videos.
Bye.
Until next time. Bye.